Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the biochemistry lab values. These are very important for the nurses. Okay, firstly, without knowing this lab values we cannot appear any kind of competitive exams. So these are the very important points. So first of all, let's talk about ABG. In ABG we have 4 parameters to check. So pH, CO2 level, HCO3, that is bicarbonate, and the pH level, it is normal level is 7.35 to 7.45, and CO2 it is 35 to 45, and bicarbonate it is 22 to 26 is the normal levels. Okay, so in case if these parameters are increasing, then it is alkalosis, and decreasing there are acidosis. And BUN it is 5 to 20 is a normal range, and cholesterol it should be less than 20 mg per dl, 200 mg per dl. If that is increasing, so there will be increased cholesterol in the body. And glucose it is 70 to 100 is the normal, and if it is more than 120 it is hyperglycemia, and if it is less than 670 or 60 it is hypoglycemia. And next coming is hematocrit. In female it is 36 to 46 is the normal rate, and whereas in the males it is 42 to 52, it is the normal range. And next one is hemoglobin. In hemoglobin, female it is 12 to 15 grams, and in the male it is 14 to 17 grams is the normal range. Next parameter is HP, like hemoglobin A1C, it is 4 to 6.6% is a normal, and above 7% it is any abnormal function. And next one is platelet levels, thrombocytes or platelets, we call it as platelets. And platelets is 2 lakhs to 4 lakhs is a normal range. So we assess platelet levels in any kind of blood disorders. So platelets, the normal platelet level it should be more than 2 lakhs. So next value is potassium. Potassium normal value it is 3.5 to 5.0. so potassium plays a very important role in case of muscle functioning. And next coming is sodium. The normal value of the sodium is 135 to 145 MEq per L. Okay, and the major electrolytes which we assess in any kind of patients are sodium and potassium. And next coming is WBC. It is 5,000 to 10,000 is the normal count. And next comes the creatinine. The normal value of creatinine is 0.6 to 1.2. And next one is PT, APTT, PTT, INR. So these are the normal values, which depends upon the therapy on which the patient is undergoing. In case of Coumadin, it is anticoagulant therapy. So if we consider INR, the normal range of INR is 2 to 3. Okay, so if the patient is taking Coumadin, or he is on the Coumadin therapy, then it goes to like 0.8 to 1.2. Okay, so the value of INR get decreases, and 25 to 35 seconds is the normal of the PT and APTT, 35 seconds. And so if the patient is on Coumadin therapy, the value it is increased to 20% more than the normal value. So the question will be like, if the patient is on Coumadin therapy, what is the PT and APTT values of the patient? So we have to add the value, like it is 20 to 30% increased than the normal value of the PT APTT. Okay, so these are the lab values we have discussed so far, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe this channel for many more videos like this, and I hope this video is very helpful, and don't forget to share with your friends also. Thank you.